wanted to face that dilemma. We discussed it with the government of Kenya on how, and we told them that we need time. We want to take these people back, but we need time, and they agreed. But it happened. Whenever there is a problem in Kenya, the police, the people feel that they are threatened and they come back. People are coming back for different reasons, but that's one of the reasons, not all of them. So we are in the process of establishing services available in different districts so that the people can come back to their homeland. We are working that with the international community, and in the next 3 to 6 months, there is a space that people start coming back to their traditional place, not to concentrate again in Mogadishu and major towns where services are available. We want people to go back to their villages and remote areas and to get whatever possible service to those areas. Thank you.
Great. Okay, let's take another round. We'll go with the gentleman here.
Mr. President, welcome. I think we can attribute to the recognition of Somalia by the United States government due to your background for being part of civil society. But thank you very much for your effort.
Thank you.
This is...
What is your name?
My name is Basto Ahmed. Now, you mentioned arms embargo. It's very important and it's very imperative for any nation to secure itself. It is very difficult to have other forces who are not Somali citizens to secure the nation for us. I think that's very difficult. So arms embargo to be lifted, I think that should be a priority for the Somali government. So the question is, as far as the pundits and those who talk about Somalia, their argument is that the Somali armed forces cannot be trusted. What can be done to that? Or is there an evidence to that fact? Thank you.
Thank you. The lady here.
Thank you. My name is Betsy Graves. I'm an analyst with a firm called the Whitaker Group. Your Excellency, thank you and welcome. My question is to the role of the private sector. What is your vision for the business environment in Somalia as things continue to grow and to stabilize? What role can both the international business community, but particularly the U.S. private sector, play in this future of Somalia?
Thank you.
Thank you.